In this video, I'll show you how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. So let's get right into it, and the first thing you need to do is head over to the Google Maps application and then click on your profile icon in the top right hand side of the screen. Then from here, click on Settings, and then you just need to select Navigation at the very top. Now there's two important settings that you need to change here. The first is this top one, Guidance Audio. If you want to enable voice navigation, you need to make sure this is set to unmute. So that's the first thing, and the second thing is Guidance Volume. This basically determines how loud you hear the voiceover. So usually I like to keep mine set to normal, but if it is quite quiet, you can always turn this up to louder, or if you prefer a softer and more quieter voice, then you can always select softer. Now just by changing these two settings, that should enable voice navigation in Google Maps. If you are getting some kind of issue and you can't hear it, it may be due to your Bluetooth settings, so I would just recommend turning off Play Voice over Bluetooth. Now if you do turn this off, it will stop the voiceover coming out from your car stereo, and instead it will play the voice out of your phone. But usually if it's not working, it indicates some kind of issue with your car stereo system and it's not picking it up over the Bluetooth. And that's it guys, that's how you enable voice navigation. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.